Chapter 3 of the book Agile Portfolio Management. In Chapter 3 we discuss about steering on value. Manage by value is the title of the chapter. And that's important because that's what you do in your portfolio. You're trying to get the highest value for the least amount of effort. You would like to, with the minimal amount of investment, get the maximum return. So that's what you do. That's what Agile Portfolio Management starts off in the first place. It's not about managing all the initiatives or managing the capability. No, it's to make sure you get the value you want. However, on the two sides of Agile Portfolio Management, we have the plan-driven part and we have the discovery part. Well, on the plan-driven part of Agile Portfolio Management, most of the time it's steering on output, features, products. They're based on the idea if we produce this deliverable, we will get the value that we expect from it. And it can happen. I mean, you can be so mature in your market, you can be so certain about what you deliver to your customers, that if you create those outputs, you will get the value. On the discovery end, however, that certainty between output to outcome is not so certain. So that's why on the discovery end you start to steer more on outcome directly. To discover the impact you intend to deliver, and by accepting that you don't know for sure which results, which products or which features will actually bring that. So the discussion is in your organization, if you steer on value in your portfolio, are we looking to output or are we looking to outcome? Or in many cases, aren't we assuming too much that a certain output delivers a certain outcome? That's why the first step in your portfolio is to order it, to rank it based on value, on return on investment, or on the weighted shortest job first. That's what WSGF does. It tries to give the highest value for the lowest effort. Thirdly, it's this that fast validation brings agility. Because if you validate early and fast, you will find out where value is not present. So then you don't have to spend all the efforts, you can spend it elsewhere where the value is. Or you will discover while validating there is somewhere way more value that you didn't expect or you didn't predict. So that's why we deliberately in this book have a full chapter, chapter 5, on validation. The final words on steering value are about the product owner. The product owner role is accountable for maximizing the amount of value. So in fact we think the product owner should not focus on the product, which is output, but focus on the value, which is outcome. So why don't we transfer the product owner to a value owner? It was the idea in the first place. So this is in summary the chapter number 3. It's about steering on value. There's much more in the book with details. Enjoy it, read it, and of course, if you want to know more, see you in chapter 4.